Welcome to Ophira Palm Beach. My name's Stu.
I'm Dan.
And over the last month we've seen a bit of progress on the externals of the building. We've done the level 8 to 9 columns. We've progressed the painting and the brickwork externally from level 7 down.
Internally, we're moving forward with the final defecting processes as well on the lower levels. We've got shower screens, painting and that sort of stuff ongoing down there as well. So it's been some great progress down on those lower levels for us.
All right, time to walk you guys through.
Let's go.